This video reviews the Schwinn triple link pedal, toe clip removal, usage, and maintenance. The optional triple link pedals accommodate Look Delta, Look Keo, and SPD style cleats to simulate an outdoor riding experience. They easily convert to accept traditional athletic shoes with snap-in locking toe clips. Toe clip removal. Remove the toe clip adapter from the triple link pedal by rotating the adapter with your hands outward, away from the bike. Place one hand on the front of the adapter and the other hand on the rear to maximize leverage. One more time from the other side of the bike. Look Delta, Look Keo Clip Usage. The road side of the pedal will accept any shoe that is Look Delta or Look Keo clip compatible. Delta Keo Side. Place shoe with cleat into the pedal and push down to secure. To remove, rotate heel inward or outward to release cleat. Delta Keo Adjustment. To adjust release force of the clip, turn the adjustment screw clockwise to increase and counterclockwise to loosen. The tension adjuster indicator shows how each clip is tensioned. SPD Clip Usage. The SPD side is compatible with most SPD style cleats. SPD side. To engage the shoe with pedal, place the cleat over the binding and push down. To release, rotate heel inward or outward. SPD Adjustment. To adjust release force of clip, turn the adjustment screw clockwise to increase and counterclockwise to loosen. The tension adjuster indicator shows how each clip is tensioned. Pedal clip maintenance. To function properly, pedals must be kept clean. Apply a small amount of lubricant to pedal binding areas to ensure ease of engagement. Apply a light coat of lubrication to the springs and pivots to keep the pedal working smoothly.